G'day and welcome. I'm Oscar Trimboli and these are the Deep Listening Playing Cards. The Deep Listening Playing Cards, like all the other resources I have here, were started by listening to my clients who were frustrated and they had a desire to improve their listening. The cards can be used by yourself, with somebody else, in teams, in training rooms. You see here there's 50 cards and they're organised into 5 levels of listening. Each card is organised into 5 suits and there's 10 cards in each suit. And as you'll see from the back of each suit has got a distinctive logo for each level of listening. Whether you're looking to practice each day by yourself to reinforce learning from the book or from the cards, practicing with a tangible, simple tool will improve your listening. Many others have used these listening cards to help improve only by themselves, let alone with others. The cards come with a series of videos that explain how they've been used by others in organisational contexts. There are examples in there about how you might be able to use them either in one-on-one situations, maybe you're a coach, in group settings, maybe you're a trainer or an in-house learning and development expert. Fill in the details below and you'll be able to use the cards to help move you from an enthusiastic listening student to a deep listening leader.